You're gonna laugh when you hear this. As you watch these next photos, you'll see my son Andrew working on the bed frame. He's the one that's been helping me out along with Dan and Terry, of course, but Andrew's just been coming over for a few weekends. After he did the electrical closet on the last video, we decided to work on a wall frame. I think they're quite nice, very sturdy, and space saving. You will notice as well that there's a new set of bed supports. You've heard me say this before, and I'll say it again. I am not a master carpenter in any way, shape, or form. I will give about anything a go, though, and I've had success in many things. So, as we finished the wall framing, Andrew picked up the bed supports I had worked on so hard for like a whole day. He gave it a little shake and fell to pieces on the floor. Well, it took him all of about 5 minutes to construct a new set. Thank goodness. So now the walls are ready for insulation. Okay, so it is going down today. As you see, the bed frame is almost completed. So I am going to put this from here, because a sheet of plywood is a little bit shy of course, 54 inches. They're 48 inches. So I want to brace this so this doesn't sag under here. And then I'm going to probably put some here too. There's one here, keeping it sturdy. And then the bed platform will then be complete. So then we'll decide what we're going to do after that. I'll probably do some insulating on the lower part of the walls, probably upper two. I think I have enough insulation here. If not, I'll have to go over to storage and get the other box. So I'm going to have lots of insulation left over, I think. Anyway, that's today's plan. $31 3/4. I'm gonna go cut a piece. Okay. Okay, there we go. That'll work, but now it needs to be sanded a bit. I will go sand and be back. just kind of finishing up the insulation, and that's so that I can put the walls in. I haven't even opened that second box of insulation, which is fine, because I still have the ceiling to do, but I would really like this to be super well insulated. That's why I spend so much time putting insulation in every nook and cranny I could. Found another nook. I want like 2 inches of insulation on this, and all this is. I might try to stuff some more up in there. There's quite a gap between that back window that's blacked out and the, let's see, and this. Right here. The light's casting a shadow, but I could still stuff some up in there. But there is 2 inches of insulation in there already. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. I think I'm going to call that good. Oh, nope. I got a little piece over here I have to do. I have to put a piece in there yet. I missed that the other day. I had to take the bed platform off, which I'm going to do anyway to sand it. So I learned my lesson the other day crawling around on this plywood platform. So I put my little floor mat on there. That's slivery. Piece of metal back there, which I have stuffed with insulation. So then the little wall paneling will go over this. That should push that back into place. Okay. My friends are calling it done. This is the finished bed platform. I'm packing to get ready to go on my little camp trip next weekend for Memorial Day. I have all the boards sanded for these walls now. I just need to put them up, which shouldn't be too bad. That's scheduled for early next week, and I will definitely do a video on that. So there you go. Bed platform done. Insulation done. I think I'm going to work on the van toilet facilities for the next video. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification bell so that you get notified when the next video comes out. Have a great week, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.